Hi guys. Now we see there's still lots of people still arriving, so we'll get started in a second. But obviously, hello and welcome. Now this is a special Wednesday session, as I said, but I'll go into that in a second. If you haven't already, please put into the chat where you guys are located. Where are you in the world right now? Okay, so California, Canada, USA. Whereabouts in the USA? I see lots of people are from a place called Owley. That's fantastic. That sounds like a really nice place. Saudi Arabia. It must be quite late there right now. USA. Whereabouts in the USA, guys? Lots of people say in the USA, but whereabouts? What state are you in? Texas, Illinois, Chicago, Texas, Owley, Dallas, Luton, New York, Owley City, USA. Fantastic. That sounds a great city. Fantastic. Okay, brilliant. So I can see the numbers are sort of starting to stabilize. So I see lots of people are still arriving, but I just make sure that kind of we get everyone here. But if you haven't already, if you're just arriving, please pop into the chat where you guys are located in the world, please. And for those of you guys tuning in on Instagram and Facebook and things like that, same thing, please put into the chat where you guys are from. I love hearing where you guys are from because it's all over the world. It's such an international crowd we have here. Okay, fantastic. I'm going to get going then. There we go. North America. There we go. Perfect. It's only 9 p.m. in Saudi Arabia, apparently. That's good. That's good. Chicago, Illinois. Where else? Here we go. And Ontario, Owley, Canada. Cool. Fantastic. All right. Brilliant. Okay. So welcome everyone. I can see that lots more people have arrived. So I'm going to get started now. So welcome. I'm Mark McLean, Sparky Mark, and it is lovely to have you here on this Wednesday session. So this is a special Wednesday session of MEL Academy, as I'm sure some of you guys are aware. So essentially, the way it works is that many of the subscribers, people who are subscribers to MEL Academy, so to MEL Science, they get the box every week full of the science kits. So you guys get the boxes every week with the science kits. And what a lot of you guys asked us for was a special session that kind of had a real focus on picking those experiments and kind of going a little bit deeper into the science, trying to really understand a little bit better what is actually going on. So that is what we've done. So that's what these Wednesday sessions are for. They were primarily originally designed for you guys who are subscribers. However, if you're not a subscriber and you don't get the boxes, don't worry. I'm also going to make sure that I show you everything we're doing and you get to be part of the full science. I'd actually said that one of my little cousins has joined and is coming and doing some of the Wednesday sessions as well. And he doesn't get the kits, but he just said he really, really enjoys it. So hopefully you guys are enjoying these Wednesday sessions. As I said, they are rather special. We only do one experiment, okay, one of the MEL science experiments, and we go a little bit deeper into the science. Now, obviously, I love the Monday, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays where we get to do all the DIY experiments, and I love those. Those are really fantastic. And my friend Dan and I, we love doing that, and I'm sure you guys know Dan. And we love doing the DIY experiments. But as I say, it is a real treat to be able to do this Wednesday where we go a little bit deeper into the science and kind of help you understand what's going on. Now, as I said, it gives us a little bit more time. Also, we can do a little bit more question and answering. And the answer is, do I know Dan? Yes, Dan is a friend of mine. He's absolutely fantastic. Yes, so, okay, so essentially, what we're doing on the Wednesday is we're going to be looking at, this Wednesday, we're going to be looking at the pure water set. Okay, so it's the pure water box, and we're going to be looking at the carbon filter today. Okay, as I said, if you don't have the set, don't worry. I will make sure you can see everything on the camera and things like that. But we're going to be going a little bit deeper into the science, and hopefully we can answer some questions from you guys. Try and keep the questions related to this topic if we can. But, you know, we're super happy to answer some questions. Now, there are two important individuals without which this would not be possible. The first is Kat. Now, Kat is in the chat there for you guys. So all of you guys, broadcasting in, tuning in. Kat is there. She's in the chat, and that does rhyme. Kat's in the chat. And say hello to Kat. That's K-A-T, and she's under MEL Academy here. Now, essentially, if you have any problems with your audio or your video or anything kind of happening, then please ask Kat. Also, if you have any other questions and things like that. Now, I do my best to be able to read the chat as we're going, but sometimes if I'm in the middle of a demonstration or something like that, I might miss little things. Now, I do my best, if I can, after the session to have a read through of the chat transcript so I can see what you guys have done. And I love reading your questions. It is so... They're really wonderful questions, and it really shows that you guys are inquisitive and you want to learn, and that is what science is all about, is wanting to continuously learn, because even the best and even the most experienced scientists, what keeps them going is they continually learning and keep pushing the boundaries. So luckily Kat is also a science background too, which is fantastic. Now, so that's Kat. The other individual that I have to introduce you to is this little chap. There we go. Now, who's this? It's Owly. Yeah, I see lots of people writing Owly. Maybe that's what you meant when I asked where you were from and you said Owly, Owly, Owly. Hey, Owly, what's occurring? Everything okay? Cool. Pretty much. That's pretty cool. How's everything going? Cool. Now, Owly, now I can see lots of familiar names. Wow, looking at this, wow. There's lots and lots and lots of familiar names in the chat there, in the attendees list. Wow, there's lots of you guys. There's so many of you today. This is fantastic. So many people wanting to learn. Now, I obviously see lots of familiar names, but there's also some new names as well. So welcome to those of you guys who are regulars, and also welcome to those of you who are new. Now,